Hi guys, welcome to Tune Basics, the series that teaches you how to play the basics. Today we'll be taking another look at how to play that classic hymn, What a Friend We Have in Jesus, and how to play it on a tremolo harmonica with 24 holes. Except in this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to play it a whole octave higher than what we did in the last tutorial. Let's take a close look at phrase 1. Blow into 19 twice. Breathe in through 22. Blow into 19. Blow into 17. Blow into 15 twice. And breathe in through 14. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 2, blow into 13. Blow into 15. Blow into 17. Blow into 15. Blow into 19. Blow into 17. And breathe in through 18. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. Now, phrase 3 is exactly the same as phrase 1. So let's move on to phrase 4. Blow into 13. Blow into 15. Blow into 17. Breathe in through 18. Blow into 15. Breathe in through 14. And blow into 15. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 5, breathe in through 18 3 times. Blow into 17. Breathe in through 20. Breathe in through 18. Blow into 17. And blow into 19. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 6, breathe in through 22 twice. Blow into 19. Blow into 17. Breathe in through 20. Blow into 17. And breathe in through 18. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. And phrase 7 is exactly the same as phrase 1. And phrase 8 is exactly the same as phrase 4. So let's try putting all the phrases together. And there you have it. And remember, if you're the kind of person who prefers learning the harmonica using tabs, then check out my tabs page. There's a link in the description below. And until next time, stay tuned.